Hey everybody, I'm Brian Bauman from Bauman's Farm and Garden. Succulents are a very popular trend right now in gardening, but a lot of times what you see online at Pinterest and Instagram seem like they're pretty difficult to do. So what we've done is we've put down everything you need to do one of the most popular succulent trends you have right now in a succulent wreath. We've put everything together so it's very simple. So first, we have our wreath. This is an 11-inch ring, and this wreath is very popular for us because it's not one of those wreaths where you have to take it apart and put it all together. This comes pre-assembled. But the trick is, you've really got to soak it in water first. So that's where we're going to start. All right, we've been having this in here for about 10 minutes now, and as you can see, the water's pouring out. So we're gonna take that out, set it down. So this moss has been soaked in water, and now we're gonna put the succulents in. And one of the tricks that we found is we have these nice, what they're called plug trays. So they're not very big. This is a pretty easy size to put in the wreath. You will find these at Bauman Farms just laid out just like this. I've picked out a nice array of hardy succulents. I've also taken the time to make sure that none of these succulents are gonna overpower each other. All of them are gonna play nicely, I promise. So now we're gonna take each one. There are fishing wire kind of looped in here. So we're gonna take our little handy dandy paring knife and kind of cut ourselves a little hole. I usually like to take my thumb, make myself a nice little room, and then we're gonna slide that plug right down on in there. All right. One down, 40 more to go. Okay, I got them all in here. A couple tricks. One of the things I like to do with some of the sedums is just give them a little tip on the ends. That gets them to fill out a little better. Also, this is just moss, so there's not a lot of nutrients in there. So when you go to water it just like we did before, but add a little bit of water-soluble fertilizer in there and just dunk it down. And then you've got it. And for more information and other projects, go to www.baumanfarms.com.